Laundry services are vital in hotels, hospitals, and commercial facilities, but the wastewater they generate contains detergents, oils, grease, and chemicals that can pollute the environment. To tackle this challenge, HECS introduces Eco-Launder, a packaged FRP-based effluent treatment plant designed to make laundry operations sustainable. Eco-Launder combines physical, chemical, and biological treatment in a compact plug-and-play unit. Built from corrosion-resistant FRP, it ensures durability, easy installation, and long service life. The process begins with a bar screen, removing lint, cloth fibers, and large debris. Wastewater then enters the collection tank, where flows are balanced and surges are absorbed, ensuring consistent treatment downstream. In the next step, coagulants and flocculants are dosed with precision. These bind together suspended particles, oils, and detergent residues. An aerator stirrer ensures thorough mixing, enhancing settling efficiency. The mixture flows into a clarifier, where solids and flocks settle at the bottom. Clear water is separated at the top, while the settled sludge is directed to a dedicated sludge management system. In the aeration tank, specialized microbes break down organic matter and residual chemicals. This step ensures effective reduction of BOD and COD levels. The treated water then undergoes secondary settling for further polishing. From here, the filter feed pump directs water through a dual-stage filtration system, a pressure sand filter for removing fine solids, followed by an activated carbon filter that eliminates color, odor, and residual organics. The process concludes with chlorination, ensuring safe and disinfected water. All settled solids are collected using a sludge bag system, where excess water drains out naturally, leaving behind dry, manageable sludge. This makes disposal safe, easy, and environmentally responsible. With HECS Eco-Launder, laundries can save water, cut costs, and comply with PCB norms effortlessly. Its compact FRP design ensures quick installation, minimal maintenance, and reliable performance for years. HECS Eco-Launder, engineered for clean water, designed for a cleaner tomorrow.